We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The east coast of Taiwan was settled by Hakka during the Japanese era. The Japanese settlers who had been encouraged to start camphor and sugar businesses gave up and went home around 1917, and their villages were taken over by Hakka and Mingnan settlers. Soufeng, Fengling, and Yuli are all places where Hakka settled. In 1921, the Japanese then started to encourage both Mingnan and Hakka to settle the east coast and start businesses. This was the first great wave of Hakka immigration into Hualien. Hello, it's Joseph Lin right here again with our Hakka lesson of the day, and very glad to have Alice.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好. You know, I already learned this so well. When I meet my Hakka friends, I can always say it. 你好，大家好.
你好，大家好。
Yeah. You know, Alice, one thing, you're my friend now. And that's why I want to ask you, what do you do on your weekends anyways?
哦，我當然是都啲不下水木。
啊？你講乜嘅啊？
我講乜嘅啊？
你講乜㗎？
我係講啊，我當然是我都啲不下水木。
講慢了還是沒用。你講乜嘅啊？
我是說，
請說，請翻譯一下。
我很懶惰。
啊，真的嗎？
我當然是。
我當然是。
懶時就是懶惰。
Oh, that means lazy. 懶時。
都啲不下水木。
再講一次。
都啲不下水木。
都啲不下。
都是在家裡睡覺。
哦，睡覺啊。
睡覺就是水木。
哦，真的嗎？水母。水木。
对。
哦，其實它是睡目，就眼睛是目嘛，對不對？哦，像你講水木，我想到的是水母。對啊 ，because it sounds like jellyfish in Chinese, really. You know, and if you get stung by a jellyfish, you're going to pass out, you're going to be sleeping, and that's how you remember this from now on. So one more time, let's say, okay, if I ask you, what do you do on the weekends, and you say you're lazy, all you do is sleep, how do you say that?
我當然是。
我當然是。懶時 means lazy, 懶惰。
都啲不下水木。
水木就是睡覺，sleeping. Okay. Well, there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day. Hope you learned something, especially about sleeping right here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin.
是我大家俺子社長來了。
俺子社長來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.